Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about basic blues licks for you to start playing the blues. Show reel! Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're going to see basic blues licks that you can incorporate into your playing. If you want to play along, I'm tuned on D. So this is the tuning. Lick number 1. All right, so lick number 1 is very simple. So you play twice, and then the third and fourth note are those other two. So if you see my right hand, it's, and then I do a legato there. So you do different variations. Lick number 2. So you bend on the third string on A, and you just start developing the chicken picking. You're playing with a pick, the third string, a full bend from A to B, and then you pick with this finger the B string on the 15th fret. Another variation that you can do with that is this. You do a full bend and then half bend. The last lick. Let's go through all the licks that we have seen on this instruction today. Lick number 1. That will be in lick number 1. Lick number 2. And then we have, we can do this. Lick number 3, that is a variation of lick number 2. And then lick number 4. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what would you like to see in future episodes. Give me the thumbs up, subscribe. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me, Show Reel.